Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the Charways. Today we are making a quick Zimbabwe dish. It's okra. In Ndebele we call it idelele, and then in Shona they call it derere. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, that's okra. We're gonna have some tomatoes added on there and some little peppers. As you guys know, my husband loves spice. Like he makes his own hot sauce, so these to him are nothing. They're not, he tried these, they're not really that hot, so I'm hoping this will turn out really well. We have the salt and the baking soda, and my water just boiled here, so I'm gonna put some water in a pot and I will show you the process until I'm done. So we got the water in the pot, guys, and before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you to our subscribers. If you're coming back to the channel and you've been with us from the beginning, thank you for staying with us. And if you're new, please consider subscribing for more fun videos like the ones we've done in the past. My husband says I'm talking like I'm singing today. I don't know why that voice is coming, it just keeps coming. But yeah, so we're gonna make the okra, and we're making that with ischwala, which is the Zimbabwe I can't talk Zimbabwe Ndebele term for basically it's a cornmeal with water. You mix it up until it's thick, but I'll show you all that. For now, let's get this video started, guys. So basically it's 1 tablespoon that I'm putting in, guys, but let me just put a disclaimer there. Everybody makes this dish different, so to all my fellow Zimbabweans out there, do not come here and crucify me. This is how I'm making it today, okay? What did I say? I'm just being nice about it. Don't come and kill me and say I'm in the comment section that I'm doing it wrong, guys. This is how I want to make it, okay? So after the okra, I'm gonna just add my tomato right away and my hot chili peppers here. They're not that hot according to my husband, but yeah, they're a little bit hot, so. For YouTube. So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of Vegeta just for more flavor. Gonna get foamy here and the slime will start happening. It's looking very good, guys. Looking very good and very colorful. So I'm gonna, at this point, I'm gonna turn the stove down a little bit, guys, just to maybe a little under medium. And just to explain the reason why I have the wooden spoon on top. In Zimbabwe, we believe that when you're making okra, if you put a wooden spoon like that, it kind of prevents it from overflowing. So that is why that spoon is there. As soon as I take it off, you'll see the okra will just keep rising, coming up, and then before you know it, it'll be overflowing. So it's good to always have the wooden spoon handy. Looking good, guys. So basically with okra, you can't sit down. You have to stand up and keep mixing it every now and then, just to make sure that you know, it's cooking well, and also it's not overflowing. See? We're getting there.
Fellow Ghanaians and fellow Zimbabweans, you're all welcome. This is special Zimbabwe dish. It's Chwala, the Idelele. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. Guys, this is good. Perfect. This is good, guys. And apparently, I gotta be biting this thing. I mean, you cut a little bit in there, right? So it's kind of perfect. But this is good, babe. This is good. You should have been making this. So, you know, it's literally tastes like Ghana okra soup, but for us we just throw in a whole lot of meat and all that kind of stuff. But this is good. This is good, guys. This is perfect. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy it. Well, fellow Ghanaians, you are welcome. Nanado will say, come and chop. And please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, so that everybody will see. If this is your first time, thumbs up please, and subscribe. I can't, please subscribe. You know, the only thing missing here actually is some fish, some willy, some nga that you can just take in your hand. Yeah. Oh, and amalusu in here will be Charlie. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. You heard me? Let me enjoy you. Try Jesus. This is good. Wow. Cook this more often. I gotta buy this. Yeah, I hear it. Guys, when you finish this caliber of Ishtuala and Idalele. You need this tall glass of water to wash it down. Jesus, I'm full. Oh my gosh. That was good though. Thanks, babe, for doing that. But guys, what else do you want us to do? Cooking battle? Or what do you want us to cook? Put it in the comment section. Hey, I'm full. Please put it in the comment section. What else do you want us to cook? Or cooking battle? But if we do cooking battle, then we have to, this time we have to have some people here, you know, testing. Testing. To see who's gonna win.
Oh, we could do a challenge.
I mean, cooking challenge.
Fruit eating challenge.
Like we did the last time.
Yes, that was fun.
Let me finish my water. Guys, this is my water glass. Alright. We'll see you in the next one. You heard me? This is B. I'm out.